Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company. This video will be covering the tools that are within content. Now, because there are so many tools within content, I am going to make a separate video for each. Otherwise, that video would be 2 hours long, and we don't want that. We'll go ahead and start off with pages. Now that we are at the official page list, you can see a list of every page that's on your site. Most of them will have written paragraphs on them. And just for the example today, let's go ahead and go look at the Contact Us page. We'll click on Contact Us. This page, you can see page detail contact us. To the right of primary content, you'll see our primary text asset. That's the gray bar you see here. Now to actually edit that particular page asset, we'll go to the right and click on edit. Here we are at the contact us paragraph. Site assignment. If you did have two different sites, you can go ahead and assign it based on the site using that drop down. You will want to leave it as custom asset. If temporarily you are working on this particular page asset, this paragraph, and you don't want it to be seen on the site while you're updating it, you can temporarily deactivate it. If this is a temporary message that you have for this asset and you want to run between two dates and automatically end on midnight of the end date that you pick, you can certainly do that. And then down below, you have all of your typical text tools. You can add in hyperlinks, add in pictures, add in YouTube videos, add in tables, and quite a few other things. The only tips I really have for you when it comes to this is if you are on a page and you're having trouble lining up your links and pictures and text and pictures, then I would suggest going in and actually using the table like this. So let's say that we have got a rental site. On one side, we have got the machine. In the middle, we have the description of the machine. And then over to the right, we have the price per hour. Well, then you can do a 3 by, let's say, 3. So then your picture of the machine would go in here, description of the machine here, and then price per hour down here. Now, this keeps it all nicely aligned. As long as your pictures are roughly the same size as you're going down, it should be very nicely aligned. Now, the reason that I tell you to use this particular graph tool rather than just trying to manually align it is occasionally it doesn't work so well. So here's my encouragement. If you're having trouble getting pictures to line up correctly or getting the text to wrap the way that you want or something like that, I would say use the graph tool if you can. If you go to use the graph tool and for whatever reason it is still not working, then you, in my mind, have two options. You can either get a hold of our technical product support and simply ask them to do the update for you, providing the information that you want on the page and how you'd like to see it. Or the other thing that you can do is open up Microsoft Word or some other program like that, get it formatted the way that you want in Microsoft Word, and copy and paste it over. Now, when you go to copy and paste it over, you will have a pop-up that comes up that says, do you want to keep the same formatting? You're going to want to hit yes. And then when it drops it in here, our editor will do its absolute best to keep all of the original alignments, sizes, colors, all of that you had in the original document. And then, of course, once you are done, you can go ahead and hit save. And once that save has gone through, click on the name of your business in the upper right-hand corner and run that publish changes. And of course, once that publish has gone through, you can jump onto that page of your site, refresh your browser, and make sure that that change got there. This is a fairly simple one that doesn't have a whole lot of detail in it. So until I talk to all of you again, thank you very much for your time. Bye.